Imagine a world where crispy fries, juicy roast chicken, and even homemade pizza come together without the guilt of excess oil or the clutter of multiple appliances. Enter this Deime Air Fryer 7.2 Quart 1700W Oilless oven, a game changer for health-conscious foodies, busy families, and anyone craving restaurant-quality meals at home. This isn't just an air fryer. It's a multifunctional marvel that promises to simplify your cooking while delivering mouth-watering results. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this air fryer is a must-have, diving into its standout features, real-world benefits, and why it's trending among home cooks. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Let's dig in. Why the Deime Air Fryer stands out. The Deime Air Fryer 7.2 Quart isn't your average kitchen gadget. With its sleek black design, robust 1700 watts power, and a generous 7.2 quart capacity, it's built to handle everything from quick weeknight dinners to large family gatherings. Its 360-degree hot air circulation technology ensures crispy, evenly cooked meals with up to 80% less oil than traditional frying, making it a beacon for healthy cooking. But what truly sets it apart is its versatility. It's not just an air fryer, but a toaster, rotisserie, oven, and fruit dryer rolled into one. This all-in-one functionality saves counter space, reduces energy bills, and makes cooking a breeze. The air fryer's 12 preset cooking programs take the guesswork out of meal prep. Whether you're craving golden fries, tender steak, or dehydrated fruit snacks, a single tap on the high-definition LCD touchscreen sets the perfect time and temperature. Plus, the visible cooking window with a built-in light lets you monitor your food without losing heat, ensuring perfect results every time. Its non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Key features that make it a kitchen essential. Large 7.2 quart capacity. Perfect for families of 3 to 6, it can handle 8 to 10 pounds of chicken, 6 to 8 servings of fries, or a 10-inch pizza in one go. Powerful 1700 watts. Heating. Rapid heating and consistent temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit deliver faster cooking and crispier results. 12. One-touch presets. Includes settings for fries, chicken, steak, shrimp, fish, ribs, bacon, vegetables, bread, baking, and dehydrating. 360 degrees. Hot air circulation mimics deep frying with minimal oil, reducing fat by up to 80% for guilt-free indulgence. Visible cooking. Window and light. Double-wall insulated window lets you check progress without opening the basket. User-friendly LCD touchscreen. Intuitive controls with customizable time, up to 60 minutes, and temperature settings. Non-stick basket and easy cleanup. Removable dishwasher-safe basket and rack ensure hassle-free maintenance. Space-saving design. Compact at 11.4D by 11.8W by 12.2H inches, ideal for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, or RVs. Safety features. Cool touch exterior and insulated windows prioritize user safety. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. Healthier meals without sacrifice. By using rapid air technology, it cuts fat and calories while preserving the crispy texture and flavor you love. Enjoy fried favorites like wings or fries with a clear conscience. Time and energy savings. Its high wattage and efficient design cook meals faster than traditional ovens, while adjustable settings optimize energy use, lowering your bills. Versatility for every occasion. From weeknight dinners to party spreads, this air fryer handles it all, replacing multiple appliances and decluttering your kitchen. Effortless operation. The intuitive touchscreen and presets make cooking accessible, even for beginners, while customizable settings offer precision for pros. Stress-free cleanup. The non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts mean you're not stuck scrubbing after every meal. Real-world users rave about its performance. One customer shared, "I made a whole roast chicken in 45 minutes, and it was juicier than anything from my oven." Another noted, "The presets are a lifesaver. I just tap fries and get perfect results every time." While some reviews mention reliability concerns after extended use, the majority praise its ease of use, sleek design, and ability to deliver healthy, delicious meals. Who is this air fryer for? The Deime Air Fryer. 7.2 quart is perfect for health-conscious eaters, those looking to cut oil and calories without sacrificing flavor. Busy families, parents needing quick, reliable meals for 3 to 6 people. Small space dwellers, apartment, dorm, or RV residents who need compact, multifunctional appliances. Cooking enthusiasts, home chefs who want versatility and precision in one device. Gift seekers. It's an ideal present for newlyweds, students, or anyone upgrading their kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.